Mains electricity is a common term used to refer to commercial electricity supplied to buildings. Electric current can be loosely defined as the flow of electric energy through a wire conducting electricity. The unit for measuring electric current is amperes. There are two types of electric current. An alternating current is an electric current that keeps changing the direction of flow at regular intervals back and forth through a wire. Alternating current, or AC, is provided up to the wall socket of a building or house for the consumer to connect a cable. The second type of current is direct current. DC is an electric current that flows in a single direction. Electronic equipment, including computers and networking devices, usually consume power in the form of direct current. AC power must be converted to DC power before it's fed to computers or networking devices. Lastly, voltage can be thought of as the electrical pressure that pushes the electric energy through a conducting wire. The greater the voltage, the greater is its ability to push the electric energy of a given electric circuit. The unit for measuring voltage is in volts, V. Click Next to continue. The power supply unit is a critical component in any electronic system or device that converts electrical energy into a form that can be used to power various components. It plays a vital role in ensuring the proper functioning of the device by providing a stable and reliable source of power. When there is an interruption in the commercial power supply to the building, the power supply to critical devices must remain uninterrupted. Uninterruptible power supply is an electric appliance that provides emergency power to equipment when commercial power is unavailable. UPS also protects equipment from voltage fluctuations which can damage the equipment. A UPS appliance consists of a battery that stores charge. Whenever there is a cut in power supply, it continues to provide power to equipment. Click Next to continue. In an electrical circuit, there are two types of wires, an active wire which supplies power, and a neutral wire which carries the current back. A grounding wire is an additional wire that can be attached to outlets and other electrical devices. This wire is securely connected to the ground and provides an additional path for electrical current to return safely to the ground in case of a short circuit. A short circuit occurs when a hot wire carrying a live current touches a neutral wire. This creates a sudden and unexpected path for the current to flow, which can result in sparks, crackling sounds, and, in some cases, fire. In the event of a short circuit, the current flows through the grounding wire, which prevents any danger to people or property. Understanding the purpose of these wires is important for maintaining electrical safety. A power surge is an increase in voltage significantly above the designated level in a flow of electricity. If the surge is high enough, it can cause some serious damage to devices. The effect is very similar to applying too much water pressure to a water pipe. If there is too much water pressure, the pipe will burst. When too much electrical pressure runs through a wire, it heats up and burns. Lastly, a surge suppressor is designed to divert the extra electricity in the surge into the outlet's grounding wire. Lightning is one common cause of voltage surges. Surge protection can also be in the form of a domestic appliance designed to break an electric circuit when it detects a surge of electricity beyond a certain value. Click Next to continue. You've reached the end of Section 1. In this module, we define network media, describe the role of physical media, and explain the characteristics and elements of copper twisted pair cables. We also describe the structure and function of fiber optic cables and their role in network media. Lastly, reviewed the benefits and limitations of wireless technology. You are now ready to move on to the second section where you'll need to complete a quick knowledge check and the assignment. Click Next to begin the knowledge check. Which of the following cable categories supports 25 to 40 gigabits per second and has STP-only shielding? Option 2. Category 6. Option 3. Category 7. Option 4. Category 8. Select the best option. That's correct. Category 8 cable supports 25 to 40 gigabits per second and has SCP-only shielding. This type of cable has a thin strand of glass that reflects light signals. Option 1. Copper cable. Option 2. That's correct. Fiber optic cables have a thin strand of glass that reflects light signals. Which of the following has 4 pairs of copper cable have an overall braid shield, S, as well as an overall foil shield, F, but the individual pairs are unshielded, U? Option 1. S/UTP. Option 2. UF/UTP. Option 3. F/FTP. Option 4. SF/UTP. Select the best option. That's correct. SF/UTP. 4 pairs of copper cable have an overall braid shield as well as an overall foil shield, but the individual pairs are unshielded.